babies, what's going on? I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a DIY video. Okay, this time we're going to be doing my kitchen table because I love my kitchen table. I don't want to throw it out. I still can use it, so I'm like, you know what, the top of it looks a hot mess, so I said, you know what, I can fix that. I'm all about seeing what I can do before I get rid of something. So, you know, I've been watching YouTube videos and all that kind of stuff, so I'm like, I'm watching all these DIY videos and I'm like, you know what, bet. So I went to the Dollar Tree today and I got me 4 rolls of colored duct tape, y'all, and we about to transform this table. So I'm going to show y'all what it's looking like right now. And I do not know, my kitchen is red and black, so I have like red like decor, but my appliances and stuff is all black. My table was black, but the top of it some stuff. Okay, so we're gonna cover that up today. So I got 4 rolls of red duct tape from Dollar Tree and they look like this, and we about to make some magic happen with this table. But before I get into that, I'm gonna show y'all what the table looking like. So y'all, this is the table, you feel me? It's not all that bad, it's just I don't like the simple fact that the sticker won't come off because my daughter was doing her little arts and crafts stuff. You know, this done peeled a little bit and it's just, you know, cramping my style if you ask me. So we about to get ready to make this red, and it still had a black leg, so it's still gonna all come together and be nice and cohesive to what's going on in this kitchen. So let's get this thing started. So I'm sitting here trying to think if I want to go take the tape from this end across, or do I want to go the long way from here over. I think I want to go straight across like this, y'all. I don't know, we about to see. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got this much done off camera and it looks amazing. Like, this look like a whole brand new table. Okay, like what? So dope. So these are 3 of the rolls that I use. So I'm gonna use 1 roll for that half. I'm probably not going to end up using that last roll right there, so I'll probably use this one in the front to finish the rest of this table, and maybe a little bit of the second one. I'm not really sure, but I'll definitely let you guys know. So let's just go ahead and get back on into it. This is the final look. Super duper excited, super duper happy. It goes with the kitchen theme. Everything is tying together. It looks amazing. This is what I did, and I only spent $4 on this DIY. So like I said, if there's any other videos you guys want to see from me, definitely let me know. And yeah, stay tuned for more DIYs and go check out more of my videos if you haven't already. And yeah, follow me on TikTok. All my socials will be down in the description box. See you guys later.